Hey everyone, welcome back to Design R. Today, I'm designing a custom t-shirt for a live client project using Playground AI. I'll show you how AI can speed up the design process and help make amazing edits in real time. Let's dive in and get started.
I am checking the requirement of the client and copying full conversation. Now I will go to ChatGPT and paste it in the custom GPT. Now it gave me the summary and the step to design it. Now I will take a cropped SS of the design to find the original design. Now I will find it with Google Image Search. Cropped one not working, I try to with the full image. I think got the original one. Now we'll take again the part, which part I need to design. I am using Playground AI to design it. Now I will upload the image. Here is the result. But I have to remove the flag and change the text as per client's request. Ask to remove the flag. It suggests automatically. As a result, it's removed. Now I have to change text. I will ask again. Here client asked for AFG instead of USA. So I will ask it. Here is the result, and it good enough. For confirmation, I am checking it again. So I will download it. If it now makes you happy, then you can retry to get perfect one. Again, I downloaded all and now checking which looks better. Think this one. Now I am vectorizing it with vectorizer.ai. I downloaded it and opened with Adobe Illustrator. Now I will prepare it. Ungroup. Compare with original design. Picking color. making the space between the letters as on the original image. Select and group. Now I will make it carve at bottom part as like original. Arc lower. Here is the final design.